This guide will walk you through the 7 things you need to complete before you trade in your old iPhone. Make sure you adhere to our advice when selling your used iPhones. Part 1. Backup data before prepare iPhone for trade-in. To back up all iPhone data to computer, you need a professional iPhone data transfer tool. Mobikin Assistant for iOS. It allows you to preview and select the files you want to backup. See how to selectively backup your iPhone to computer with Assistant for iOS. Step 1. Launch the app and connect your iPhone. Step 2. Preview and choose the data for backup. Step 3. Backup iPhone to computer. Part 2. Inspect your phone when prepare old iPhone for trade-in. Battery health page. Check the touchscreen. Photograph. Turn on the speakers and play some music. Send and receive text messages. Surface imperfections, dents, scratches, etc. Part 3. Reset iPhone for trade-in. Navigate to Settings General on your iPhone. Select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Erase all content and settings. Part 4. Remove any case or cover to prepare iPhone for trade-in. It is recommended that you remove the protective case or cover from your phone when trading in your iPhone for a new one. Part 5. Find original packaging to get iPhone ready for trade-in. We suggest that you use the original packaging to resell your old iPhone. Part 6. Wipe iPhone for trade-in. You must wipe your iPhone completely and permanently by using a professional iOS data erasing program called Mobikin Eraser for iOS. It comes with 3 levels of erasure so that you are able to erase all of the contents and settings. How to clear iPhone for trade-in via Eraser for iOS. Step 1. Launch Eraser for iOS. Step 2. Choose a preferred security level. Step 3. Wipe iPhone before trade-in. Part 7. Choose the best online website to sell your iPhone. After completing the data backup and erasure, what else can you do at the end? Yes, you should also find a reliable website to sell your used iPhone. With the help of a reliable website, you can not only sell your iPhone for a good price,